Hi there, welcome to our YouTube channel. Please, if you are watching our video for the very first time, please hit that subscribe button and like this video. We appreciate, thank you very much. One of our viewers sent this message. He said his GOtv has been stuck on first time installation and he needs a solution. Now, all things being equal, assuming the GOtv in question is not faulty, then the solution is simple. But first of all, I want to show you how you can reset your GOtv. Now, to reset your GOtv, you press the menu button on your GOtv remote and then you move to advanced option. The menu button is written GOtv on it or menu, so you move to advanced option and you click OK, and then you move to installation and you click OK, and then you will see reset, which is usually third on the log. You click on reset. The GOtv will go off for about 5 seconds or so and then comes up again. And after rebooting, you will see this message displayed, first time installation, which is what our viewer posted. Now click OK. Select your language. Then select your country. In this context, it is Nigeria. When you select your country, you click OK. Then it will move you to antenna power. Keep the antenna power off because GOtv antennas are passive antenna, they are not active antenna, so they don't need power to work. And keeping the power off helps you because if you turn it on, it may likely attract lightning. So you keep it off, then you click OK, then allow the decoder to scan, and after a while, your channel is up. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, we appreciate it.